Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2019 Kia Optima. This Kia is powered by front-wheel drive, 2.4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 36,888 miles. Discover the perfect blend of style and reliability with this 2019 Kia Optima. Experience comfort, advanced features, and exceptional fuel efficiency. Don't miss out on a fantastic deal. Drive away in your next car today. This pre-owned Optima comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, push button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Kia Optima is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, dynamic brake support, daytime running light, semi-automatic headlamp beam switching, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.